Alright guys, this is another episode of the most profitable Fiverr gigs that you can start selling today and make a whole lot of money on the internet. I'm going to make this very short and I'm going to show you two most unique and hot in demand gigs under social media marketing. So right now on Fiverr, I'll go to the social media marketing page. And from this page, you see there are so many categories on social media marketing. You can go ahead and start selling from any of this category. However, just like I said in the previous video, there are a lot of services that doesn't earn a lot of money on Fiverr. So I want to show you two hot in demand gigs in 2019 and probably beyond. The first one I have here is Instagram promotion. This gig says, I will professionally grow and manage your Instagram. And I can tell you categorically that this gig is all about adding followers to your Instagram account. The smallest price for this gig is $50, and at the moment it has about 166 orders in queue. If you multiply that, you see he's making a whole lot of money on Fiverr. And I strongly believe he is doing this on automation. He's using some tools that is helping him to automate this service and getting it delivered very fast. So you need minimal effort to get this done. However, you might need to invest in the tool. But I'm pretty sure you will make a whole lot of money if you're selling this type of service on Fiverr, because that is hot in demand as at this time in 2019. I'm going to show you another of the same service. I will do Instagram marketing to increase followers and engagement. Like I said, this is basically about growing Instagram followers. This one has the smallest price as $20, and at the moment it has about 42 orders in queue. These are very hot in demand service on Fiverr, and if you go ahead and start selling this, I'm pretty sure you're gonna make more money on Fiverr as long as you're delivering quality service to your buyers. The second gig I'm gonna show you in this video is YouTube promotion. I will do YouTube video promotion through social media referral. You see this, the smallest price for this is $20, and at the moment it has about 62 orders in queue. You see over 5,000 positive reviews. This is a very huge opportunity. If you start selling this, I'm pretty sure you're gonna make a whole lot of money. This is doing it via social media promotion and is getting a whole lot of orders and positive feedback. And the second one on this category is I will embed your YouTube video into 125 high PR Web 2 properties. This is having 70 orders in queue at this time. And when I went through the review, I see a lot of people are giving very positive review and they're telling you they are making a whole lot of improvement from this gig. And that is one of the interesting things. If you're adding value to the buyers, they will definitely be coming back to buy more from you. These are some of the most profitable and high in demand gigs in Fiverr on 2019. I strongly encourage you, if you want to sell something and make money fast on Fiverr, go and join any of the hot in demand service and start promoting yourself and start making money for yourself. I believe you've seen something, and I believe you'll be able to use this to take action and start making money on Fiverr. If you love this video, feel free to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and bye for now.